Skateboarding is an exhilarating sport that combines balance, coordination, and creativity. If you're starting out in 2024, first ensure you have the right gear, a sturdy skateboard, a helmet, and protective gear like knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards. Safety is crucial, so make sure your helmet fits snugly and your pads are secure. Begin by finding your stance, regular, with your left foot forward, or goofy, with your right foot forward. A quick way to determine this is by sliding on a smooth floor with socks to see which foot you naturally put forward. Once you have your stance, practice balancing on your board. Place it on a flat, stable surface like grass or carpet and stand with your feet over the bolts, knees slightly bent. Shift your weight from your heels to your toes to control the board. Next, learn to push off the ground with your back foot while keeping your front foot near the front bolts. Start with small pushes and gradually build up speed, ensuring you keep your knees bent and your body relaxed. Equally important is learning to stop, which you can do by dragging your back foot on the ground until you come to a smooth halt. Turning is the final basic skill to master. You can turn by carving, which involves leaning your body in the direction you want to go, perfect for gentle turns and cruising. For sharper turns, practice kick turning by lifting the front wheels and pivoting on the back wheels. Begin with small pivots and work up to full 180-degree turns. Remember, skateboarding requires practice and patience, so don't get discouraged if progress seems slow. Enjoy the process, have fun, and embrace the journey. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and leave your questions or tips in the comments below. Happy skating!